I made some mistakes today. Okay. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting because we are doing another collaboration. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my last collaboration, which was literally yesterday, that I did with Crystal and Carrington, where we did an entire face of makeup that we absolutely hated. I had so much fun creating that video, but in today's video, I am collaborating with my good friend Lisa here on YouTube as well. Everyone's on YouTube. Lisa reached out to me, asked to do a collaboration. I said yes. I'd been wanting to collaborate with her for a while, and she had the most genius fun idea. Her idea was for us to send each other a few different options for makeup recreation. So it could be kind of tricky, kind of intricate, or easy, just something that catches our attention that we would like to see them attempt. So Lisa sent me a couple of options, and this is the one that I chose to recreate today. So if you're excited to see me recreate this awesome eye look that I'm gonna try, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Of course, I will leave Lisa's channel and her video linked down below in the description box so you can go and check her out. She makes some of the most chill YouTube content, makeup unboxing, get ready with me review videos, try on videos, and she doesn't just buy high-end or low-end makeup, she buys everything. She loves everything. So if you are ever on the market for something and you're kind of curious if you should buy it, if you should not buy it, go check out Lisa's channel. She reviews everything. This is the option that Lisa chose to recreate, and I am so excited to see her recreation. So without further introduction and further ado, let's just get into today's video. You guys don't care that my hair looks like a rat's nest, do you? Okay, fine, I'll take it out. Okay, all right. There, are you happy? In order to recreate this look right here, so pretty, I'm going to be using my Glam Light Glam Donut palettes. Looks like this. I mean, as soon as I saw that eye look, I was like, I already know which one I'm going to be using. Like, this has every single color that I need in it to recreate this look, so this is the palette I'm going to be using today. I'm going to start off with a purple base, but it looks like it's winged out, so we're going to start there. I'm going to prime my eyelids with Milani eyeshadow primer. I swear the later I film these videos, the goofier I am. I'm not good at makeup recreation. Disclaimer. I'm going to go in with the shade So Sweet, which is the purple shade. My brushes look filthy, but they're probably not. I'm just going to pack that color on my lid. And it looks like the shade on her eyes goes slightly above. So I'm going to just pack that also up into my crease area as well. Because really, other than that, I mean, like, that's all that she has on her eyes is the purple. Lisa is such a positive life form on this platform. She really is. She's all inclusive. Everyone has a place on this platform on Lisa's channel. She is a small creator just trying to grow her audience, but she always shouts out smaller creators on her channel to just kind of give them a little limelight, you know? And I think that is so cool of her. She really is just so sweet and uplifting and positive. I love to just chill and watch her videos. She does make more long form content, like they're generally about 30 minutes or so long, but they are just such good videos to just have on in the background, watch while you're doing something else, and just listen to her talk about makeup. And she is one hell of a makeup artist too. Her looks always come out so cute. I'm trying to get them to match, but they just keep getting bigger, you know? I better stop. I better chill. Okay, I'm going to chill on the purple. This one's way bigger than this one. Okay, I'm just going to stop while I'm ahead. They're basically there. So when I'm looking at her eyes, it doesn't really quite look like it's all purple shimmer. On top of the purple, it looks also like it could be also some white. So I'm going to just do my best. So I'm going to go in with Grape, which is the shimmery purple, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid. I'm going to also pack on Strawberry just to give it that dimension, because it doesn't look like it's just all straight purple shimmer. So I'm going to just kind of keep on packing on the shimmer. Glamlite has the best shimmer formula, in my opinion. If you wanted more shimmer impact, you could easily go on with your finger or probably a wet brush, but I really just want it to be casual. So I'm going to also go in with glazed on the very center. Like that. I'm very, very happy with that. Okay. I'm doing it. Okay. Next is where it could all go to hell in a handbasket. I'm going to take a tiny, tiny brush and I'm going in with the blue called Icing, play on words. And it looks like it just kind of wings out along this wing. Okay. But on this starting here and ending at the wing, closest to the lid. And I'm just gonna work with the shape until I'm happy with it. Mistakes have been made. So I'm lightening up the blue, just obviously dipping into the clear, like the silver. It looks disgusting. I'm not doing a good job. Oh, Lisa, I hope you're having better luck. The good news is that you can always clean everything up. It's just makeup. Nothing is permanent. Oh, the shit has hit the faneth. The shitteth has hit the faneth. Now, the pink. See, I went way too high. I went drag. This is not drag. Okay, pink next. I'm going in with Jelly. I thought this was gonna be so easy. I thought I was gonna get some Instagram pictures. I thought I was gonna be looking like hot shit tonight. I don't know, I kinda like where it's going. You know, like whenever you just keep messing with something and then it just keeps getting worse. That's this. Do I give up or do I keep going? I've come to that conclusion. I don't know what to do. I'm in it now. It's only getting worse. It's only getting worse. It did not go this far up on her face, but here I am. The more I look at it, the worse it gets. You know what? Fuck it. Let's move on. Let's keep moving on. On her lower lash line, she has the pink. I think the funniest part of this is that I thought this was going to be easy. I did. I really thought that was going to be easy. Okay. And then she has shimmery white on the inner corner, which easy. Okay. Easy enough. Yeah. Oh, I look like a Barbie doll. Not a good one either. There's only one place to go from here. Rhinestones. Yep. The majority of rhinestoning, I made that up, is fucking up and then taking them off and then putting them back on. Okay. There is my recreation of this beautiful look. I totally effed it up. Once I added the mascara, the rhinestones, I feel better now. So that is the end of this portion of the video. I did have one of our little muffins ask me how I put on my lipstick, how I do my lipstick. And that's kind of a tricky question because it depends on what shape you like, what shape your lips are, and what products you have. But I'm going to show you guys how I do my lipstick lately. So here we go with that. I know I want to use this lip gloss from CoverGirl. It is in the shade Hashtag. It's this really beautiful purple blue glitter gloss. I know I want to use this, but I don't want, I need to just keep it, you know, like just keep it chill. So hold on. Okay, this might be a terrible idea, but I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal Be Rebellious. This is a liquid lipstick. Not my favorite, but it's you get the gist. So I do not use a lip liner. I just go in and fill the majority of my lip shape up. I personally like to color in my Cupid's bow. So at the top, I will actually just make a more rounded look. Like that. I always use a gloss because I'm kind of messy on the outsides of my lips, so the gloss helps me clean it up. I'll get there. So I just do this until I like the pigmentation and all of my lips are covered. I like how full my lips are naturally, but I do just slightly, and I'm saying slightly, go over where my lip line is. Okay, so now this is fine, but I always use a gloss to top it to smooth out the edges of where the lipstick is. Adding a gloss just makes them look juicier and the lines a little bit more straight and even if you didn't really do that great of a job. So I always use the lip gloss to make sure I don't have any jagged lines on my lips. And I keep that rounded shape at the top. Okay, and that is how I do my lipstick. And that is going to be it for today's look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will leave all of Lisa's information and her video linked down below in the description. You should absolutely definitely go check her out after you watch this video. And if you're coming from Lisa's channel, hi, hello. I am so glad that you're here and you have joined us. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.